You know, it would be fantastic if it was Sunday night and, you know, the stock market opens up nice and early on Monday. And if I only had the option plays that Sunday night so I can wake up and make myself some money. Wish there was a person that could just give me plays right with their phone. You know I got you. It's time.
1,000, 2,000 trees. I'll make guacamole from investing in my brother.
Bueno, and my brother. 𝙎𝙚𝙬 I get it with my brother. Okay. What is good, YouTube? It is your boy, The Session. I'm here on this lovely Sunday evening. And yes, I'm giving you a video Sunday evening. So that way you all can wake up and make some money on Monday. I decided to, you know, spread the wealth. I know that in the Discord, I'm going to go ahead and hook them up. Well, I've already hooked them up by the time you've seen this video with some amazing extra plays. But at least for you all, I at least need to get you not one, not two, but 3 option plays. Yes, 3 option plays going into Monday, March the 8th, here with me, The Session. So grateful to have you all. What I'll need you to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and most importantly, share this content with people. If you know somebody around you, your family members, friend, co-worker, girlfriend, homie, needs this information or needs to make some money, wants to quit their 9-to-5 or have some financial literacy so we can get some money in this motherfucker, so people of color, women, we can really thrive how we're supposed to thrive and live our best lives, come on over and share the information. Other than that, these plays are very exciting. I'm telling you, these are some sleepers. They're not anywhere else on YouTube. I haven't seen anyone else talking about them. I just found out about them myself. So I pray that they're unique to you. One of them will look familiar because it's from a previous video. Be sure, if you have not, tune into me every Friday. It looks like I'll be giving a giveaway. Sometimes it's monetary. More than frequently, it's monetary. We got new merch I just released with the butterflies on it. That's amazing. Y'all got a lot of support. A lot of people are purchasing it, and y'all showing a lot of love. We gave away 2 of those just Friday, so that was dope as fuck. And make sure you check out the Discord where the family gets busy. If you need a free alternative to that, you can follow me on Public, because I kind of give plays there from time to time. I'll let you know my position and everything I'm doing. We do have a community there with some message groups, but Discord being the primary place where we chop it up, talk about manifestation. I have classes, and we talk about stocks. You feel me? So go ahead and check that out. It's only $5. All right? With that being said, we're going to dive into the first plays. Okay, so you see we are on the device. Now what we're going to do is go ahead to the finance folder, open up Robinhood. Boom, and you see the thieves already with the first play of the day, IRWD. IRWD is Ironwood Pharmaceuticals. And as you see right here, look at this on the day, up almost 3%. That's an amazing sign, because you know last week was a tough week for majority of stocks, as well as the week prior. And we'll look at last week's numbers, 7.4% up. A month ago, 2.5% up. So this is beautiful. I'm loving what I'm seeing from this stock. We know that right now, pharmaceutical stocks on fire. Everybody's trying to make a vaccine, cure something, fix something. America, we spend most of our GDP on chronic healthcare and disease. So the healthcare shit sucks over here, and it's all capitalism. So if finding a pharmaceutical play, or if you see a lot of frequent pharmaceutical plays, this is not going to be weird. This is going to become normal, because the pharmaceutical plays are very prominent in America. So I want to tell you a little bit about the company. This here is a healthcare company which focuses on the development of commercialization, gastrointestinal product opportunities in the area of significant unmet leveraging demonstrated expertise and capabilities with GI diseases. So this is going to be good for all the gastrointestinal problems or anything going on with your stomach, people, Crohn's disease and other sicknesses of this nature. This company seems to specialize in that. Okay, so it says here on Investor Observer, this company is currently about to reach a 52-week high and is outperforming the S&P 500. So this is an amazing sign. So if we wanted to get an option on this, we would hit the trade button, trade options. Okay, so for me, myself, I'm going for the expiration date of March 19th. It's going to give me about 2 weeks. You can choose to push your date out further if you like. The call I'm looking at right now is a $10 call. It looks like it's only going to be $50. That's beautiful. And another tip I'm giving you right now is that I like to buy more than one contract. The obviously the more you risk, the more the return you would get, simply. So if I buy more contracts, that means I have a higher chance of winning some more money. Okay, so I will click a $10 call at 50-cent strike price. You see one contract, $50. Very plain and simple. I probably will be getting some position in this. I really love the price of it. Out of these three, I'm definitely going to be getting position. If not two, one for sure. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this. If you've seen this anywhere else, IRWD, $10 call, March 19th expiration. It's only $50. You did. Okay. With play numero dos, we have HLX. This is Helix Energy. You know, with the president we have right now, we're going more towards natural resources. The metals, the cannabis, the things that are more holistic seem to be prevalent with this president. Okay, so as you see right here with Helix Energy, they're up on the day 9% and change. On the week, they're up. Even with the bad week we had overall with the NASDAQ and everything else as a whole, you see they were up over 16%. You see in a month, they're up over 22%. So this is amazing news. I love this. And this is a very, 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 very affordable stock. So for those of y'all who even like penny stocks, you can either do a double, you feel me? You could double up. You can get yourself positioned in the stock if you have capital, as well as get yourself some option plays in this. So with this play, if we wanted to do an option, all we would simply do is hit trade options. And you can also do research for yourself to read about the company, read what the company stands for, who are the CEOs or whatever. If you're going to invest your money in it, maybe you want to know more about the company and what they have to offer and what they do. So that's just some words of wisdom from me. I'm just simply here giving you the plays. I'm leading you to the lake. I'm just saying there's some shit to look at if you have some capital and you are interested in, not doing the legwork of researching a ton. I'm here to just provide you. That's what big bros do. But I'm still giving you game while I do so. So I would do a $5 call. As you see, it's currently trading at $5.83. So when you see a contract, it's going to be roughly $90. You can get yourself a couple contracts depending on the amount of capital. Again, y'all sticking with me. Remember, we're doing the 70-30 op stop strategy. And what that is, I'm going to deposit $250 a week. I'm going to take 70% of that and put it into either options or into my current stock positions. So that is my strategy. That's a tip for y'all to remember. And according to Investors Observer, I want you to remember that this stock, Helix Energy Solutions Group, has risen over 26.6% over the past month. That's a good sign. This is an amazing sign, especially for a stock that's so cheap. And for it to have proven numbers month after month is a very good sign, and a very high likelihood that if I'm going to place my money on the gamble, I'm going to place on the thing that's hot. And last but certainly not least, at numeral trace, we have VALE. This is VALE. Yes, the ticker symbol VALE. You see on the day, this is up almost 11%. On the week, up 2.5%. On the month, up 6.4%. I've mentioned this video a couple weeks ago. I mentioned this stock a couple weeks ago. It's still on fire. It's still showing very good numbers. And I want to see a little about the company. The company here engages in the production and exportation of iron ore, pellets, manganese, and iron alloys, which are raw materials needed for steel making. It operates through the following segments: minerals, coal and base metals. So I'm loving what I'm reading. Remember, what did I just say? Joe Biden and the way the government is going is toward a more holistic, more natural-based economy. Natural metals, natural resources, natural oils, all of these things, cannabis, things that come from the earth seem to be more prevalent. So with that being said, bells go off my head. I see money, I see dollar signs. I look at the numbers, they're performing amazing. And then I check Investors Observer, and they actually say VALE and Google last week, aka the week that just passed, were ranked the stocks of the day, and Microsoft was after them. So that's a huge sign. This is also on the IBD 50 list of the top growth stocks. So it's among some amazing company, Microsoft, Google, it's among some amazing companies, and it's ranking even higher. So that tells me that there's some promise and there's some potential in this stock. So with Vail, I'm very excited. I'm going to be getting positioned in this. So you have the choice. You can either do the March 12th expiration or the March 19th. So let's compare prices. For the 19th, you are looking at, for $17.50 call, you're looking at about $80. If you do March 12th, you are looking at about $58 to $60, okay? So for this exercise, I'm going to just click the March 12th, the closer expiration. Boom, so one contract will be $58. So if this has the week that it's supposed to have, if the correction is over, if the stock market bounces back how it's supposed to, we will eat off of these plays. We will eat very, very, very much. We will feast off of these plays. I'm going to be getting a couple contracts of this, at least 2 to 3 contracts, so we can really increase our ROI. So I hope you enjoyed these 3 plays we given you. I could have just given you 1, but I pray that 3 is suitable, because then you can kind of pick and choose, see what your budget's talking about, see how you align with the companies, and yeah, do your own research, because again, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a youngin' out here that's spreading game, leading to the lake. You feel me? So I pray that y'all appreciate it. I want to get this video out to you. Hope you enjoy it. Comment below. Let me know if I should start doing these on Sunday nights. I can start giving you the option plays on Sunday nights, and then Monday, and then Monday I can hit you with the penny stock video or the growth stock video or whatever else. Let me know what y'all think, but let me know also what you think of the giveaways and what you think of the merch and what you think of the Discord. The feedback helps me continue to grow and helps me to continue to help you motherfuckers. So that's all I got. Have a great evening, day, morning, afternoon, whatever it is. Be positive and manifest whatever you want. You believe it here, it will be so in the physical world. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You dig?